Istanbul Holiday Guide and Top 10 Places to Visit. Istanbul is a city in Turkey that is known for its rich history, culture, and architecture. It is the largest city in Turkey and spans 2 continents, Europe and Asia. A holiday guide for Istanbul is a comprehensive resource that provides information about the city, including its culture, tourism, food and beverage, and activities. Istanbul's culture is a blend of Eastern and Western influences, reflecting its position as a city that bridges 2 continents. The city has been the center of many empires throughout history, including the Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman empires, and this has left a lasting impact on the city's architecture, art, and culture. Istanbul is home to many museums and art galleries, such as the Istanbul Modern Art Museum and the Para Museum, which showcase the city's contemporary art scene. Istanbul is a popular tourist destination, with millions of visitors coming to the city each year. The city offers a variety of attractions, including historical sites, museums, and cultural events. Some of the most popular tourist destinations in Istanbul include the Hagia Sophia, the Blue Mosque, and the Grand Bazaar. The Grand Bazaar is a massive market that features more than 4,000 shops selling a variety of goods, including jewelry, textiles, and ceramics. Turkish cuisine is known for its rich flavors and diverse dishes, and Istanbul is a great city to explore Turkish cuisine. Some of the most popular Turkish dishes include kebabs, baklava, Turkish delight, and Turkish coffee. Istanbul is also known for its street food, such as simit, which is a type of sesame-covered bread, and balak ekmek, which is a sandwich made with grilled fish. In addition to its food, Istanbul is also known for its tea and coffee culture. Turkish tea is a popular beverage in Istanbul and is often served in small glasses. Turkish coffee is also a popular beverage, and is known for its strong flavor and thick texture. Istanbul offers a variety of activities for visitors to enjoy, including outdoor activities such as boat tours, hot air balloon rides, and visits to parks and gardens. One popular activity is visiting a traditional Turkish bath, or hammam, which offers a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. Istanbul is also home to many cultural events, such as music festivals, art exhibitions, and film screenings. Overall, Istanbul is a city that offers a rich and diverse culture, delicious food and beverage, and a variety of activities for visitors to enjoy. Whether you're interested in exploring the city's historical sites, trying new foods, or simply enjoying the city's outdoor activities, Istanbul has something to offer everyone.
Top 10 Places to Visit in Istanbul. Here are 10 of the most beautiful places to visit in Istanbul, along with an explanatory introduction. 1. Hagia Sophia, a stunning architectural masterpiece. Hagia Sophia was built in the 6th century and served as a church, mosque, and now a museum. It is known for its massive dome, intricate mosaics, and impressive architecture. 2. Blue Mosque, also known as the Sultan Ahmed Mosque. This iconic landmark is a stunning example of Ottoman architecture. It features 6 minarets, a central dome, and beautiful blue tiles that adorn its interior. 3. Topkapi Palace, once the home of Ottoman sultans, Topkapi Palace is a sprawling complex of buildings, courtyards, and gardens. Visitors can explore its many rooms and see treasures such as the Topkapi dagger and the spoonmaker's diamond. 4. Galata Tower, this medieval tower offers panoramic views of Istanbul from its observation deck. Visitors can also explore the tower's museum, which tells the history of the tower and the surrounding neighborhood. 5. Basilica Cistern, an underground water reservoir built in the 6th century. The Basilica Cistern is a fascinating example of Byzantine engineering. Visitors can walk through its dimly lit chambers and see the famous Medusa heads at the base of 2 columns. 6. Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world. The Grand Bazaar is a shopper's paradise. With over 4,000 shops selling everything from jewelry to ceramics to textiles, it's a great place to find unique souvenirs and gifts. 7. Spice Bazaar, also known as the Egyptian Bazaar, this colorful and aromatic market sells spices, dried fruits, nuts, and other food items. It's a great place to sample Turkish delights and other local treats. 8. Bosphorus Cruise, a scenic boat tour along the Bosphorus Strait offers stunning views of Istanbul's skyline and waterfront. Visitors can see historic landmarks such as the Maiden's Tower and Dolmabahce Palace from the water. 9. Chora Cuhurch, also known as the Kariye Museum, this 11th century church is known for its beautiful mosaics and frescoes. It's a great place to see Byzantine art and architecture. 10. Dolmabahce Palace, a stunning example of Ottoman architecture. This palace was built in the 19th century and served as the residence of Ottoman sultans. Visitors can see its opulent interiors, including crystal chandeliers, grand staircases, and ornate furnishings. I hope this explanatory introduction gives you a better idea of the beauty and uniqueness of these top 10 places to visit in Istanbul.